The first topic for this session we'll be covering is what is accounting all about. Now we are clear with the module accounting for managers. What is this terminology accounting and why it is so important today for you all to understand accounting as such. Now, accounting in short has three branches and your syllabus also constitute three branches of accounting. We'll be talking about is financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. So let us talk first is what is the various branches of accounting, and in this session what we are going to cover is starting with the first branch. Now there are three branches of accounting. First is financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. Now, financial accounting, just to give you a brief idea what financial accounting is all about, it's all about just one word: transaction. In this financial account, we'll go deep into a word transaction and see how a business keep records of various transactions which happen in day-to-day life of an organization. So financial accounting will be very clear. We just have to focus on the word transaction and go deep into it and see what transaction is all about. At the end, what we're seeing is that as a small transaction in the life of a business which is occurred and recorded every day as such, hence in deriving it a profit and loss. You'll be seeing 31st March closing happens, right? And how transactions which happen in day-to-day life as such, how they lead to profit and loss calculation. So financial accounting will be very clear. We'll be focusing to find out the financial position of an organization and also is the balance sheet arriving as such. So we'll see what is financial position all about and how you found it as a balanced position when you talk about balance sheet. These terms may be new to you all because we're not started accounting as such, but don't worry, but as we go on and on, you'll get used to the terminologies as well. But let us see, the first branch of accounting will be all about just to focus on one word: transaction. In this, we'll be focusing on to find out the financial position of an organization and the profitability position of an organization. So we'll be driving at profit and loss and we'll see how a small transaction in the life of a business leads to it. The second branch of accounting is management accounting. Now all the branches are one after the other. That's why we'll be starting this with first is financial accounting, which forms as a background for us to understand the remaining two branches. The next branch will be management accounting. And as the word says management, it helps, this branch of accounting will help us in achieving all the management functions and will help us actually in decision making. When we talk about management functions, of planning, organizing, directing, staffing, which you have studied till now in management subject. But this management accounting will focus on how can we use accounting information to arrive at a decision making. So we'll continue with financial accounting information only and we'll see how can you do decision making based on that. So we can only start management accounting if your financial accounting concepts are very clear. And management accounting is all about decision making. You'll be seeing fund flow statement, cash flow statement, how ratio analysis happen. Similarly, the last branch of accounting which we have to cover in your syllabus is cost accounting. Now, cost accounting is all about this one word: cost. In mind, we try to find out the cost for anything. It can be an organization, it can be for a unit, it can be for a department, it can be for a process. For example, if I say I'm in the business of manufacturing stationery. Right? How do I come up? Okay, I sell up a pen for 10 rupees. There's some groundwork I must have done it to say, okay, the cost come 8 rupees, I make 2 rupees profit at least and sell a pen for 10 rupees. Now, how do you find out the cost? Why do we say in a single company, one brand is so expensive and the other brand is less? Why do we say Dove soap is expensive and Rexona is a cheaper brand? There's some cost that the company might have done. Now, we'll find how this cost fixing happens. I don't know how many of you noticed around you. You see Lay's, you see Bingo, you see Parle chips, you see Kurkure, you see so many brands in the market. You'll always notice the small packet is always 10 rupees and a big packet is always 10 rupees. Whoever comes into the market also will give you 10% extra, 30% extra. But if you see, the cost part is very clear. A small packet will be 20 and this is something to costing point of view. Some economic concepts also come into picture, that which market structure they are, which we'll study in economics module. But in this costing, we'll see how does a company decide on the costing part. How do we say the cost of a product should be this much should be my profit margin, and that's how I'll be selling a product. So all branches of accounting become very interesting. And this is what your subject is all about. If you see, your subject in short is divided into these three parts only: financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. Now, as the session continues, I'll go deep into it. I'll tell you the definitions of cost accounting, management accounting, and financial accounting. But the first session will be all about, and the first unit all about, is only about financial accounting. Now we'll see what financial accounting is all about. It's just about this one word transaction you saw, and you're clear with what transaction is. Now go deep into this word transaction. So what do we start with? We'll start with how do you start recording a transaction? Think about a business organization which is a very big, which has branches all over the world. Or think about banks itself, so many branches of bank. In a single day, how many transactions happen? So you need to record them somewhere, right? Start recording them in a chronological order as such. So first step in accounting is recording the transactions in a chronological order. Now, after you start recording the transactions, second step in accounting we do is that you start classifying them. Classifying them in a sense, you see that certain transactions are like very repetitive. Like if I'm business in manufacturing goods, purchase of goods happen every day, sale of goods happen, right? And similarly, if I have an organization, I have an administrative office also for the same. And see, salary to employees is a very important concept which happens. Now start focusing on one of them. For example, if I come and ask you, you are the accounts manager, tell me how much goods we purchased in 1 month. Just tell me if you just recorded in your books, what will you do with it? If you just recorded, you'll just take a calculator and start adding it up, right? So we just start classifying. To make our work simple, just focus on one account at a time. We just focus on purchase, we just focus on sales. How much transactions happen, based on that you start focusing on one account at a time. That is classifying. Subdividing your accounts. Subdividing accounts under various heads. So second step in the accounting is all about, after you're done recording part, you start classifying them. And then after classification happens, what do? Is we summarize the transaction. What is summarizing? Put the transactions in one place. You see 31st March happening, closing happening. Or quarterly, if you see. If you're reading newspapers, you see quarterly results are displayed in newspapers. You see, it just summarize the information. A company made a profit, obviously. A company profit increased. Company suffered a loss because of whatever reasons happening, right? Now, if you focus on this is what summarizing the information. Third step in accounting after classifying is summarizing the information in one place. And after summarizing happens, what do? You start analyzing and interpreting them. Analyzing and interpreting, you start understanding them. You start understanding them, okay, we are put together in one place. How much are the assets for an organization? How much liabilities do we have? How does the overall picture look like for an organization as such? And this is what accounting all about. So we focus on various stages in accounting: recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting. And what do we do for all them? We do focus on a transaction. And second important thing, this transaction should be monetary in nature. It should have some money value for it. Right? Now if you ask me what is accounting, so definition of accounting will be what? It is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting transactions which are monetary in nature in a systematic manner. Accounting for everything you'll see, right from recording stage to classifying, summarizing, analyzing, everything has a proper format for it. And it's a systematic manner you have to do. After recording on, you can start with classifying. After classifying on, you can start with summarizing, and after summarizing you can go for analyzing or interpreting. And accounting, financial accounting stops at analysis or interpreting stage. Why? Because over here your financial objectives are met. Right? We'll come to what objectives of accounting. In short, the main objective of financial accounting is what? To find out the profitability position, to find out the profit or loss, or to find out is the financial position. Financial position in a sense, assets and liabilities. So if both of your objectives of accounting are met, that's a financial accounting stops. And the last stage in the process of accounting is analyzing and interpreting. It's a full process which goes on. And you'll be like now wondering, how does recording happen? How does classifying happen? So we'll go deep into it. Recording we'll do in a book called as journal. So we'll go deep into a journal. Just understand that time being, there's something called as journal. As sessions progress, we'll see what a journal is all about. For classifying, we focus on a book called as ledger. For summarizing, we have as a trial balance. And for analyzing and interpreting, we have as final accounts. And this is what accounting in short all about. We'll be covering various books and we'll go in a step-by-step manner and see how objectives are met at various stages. Keeping in mind, we are focusing on just one word transaction.